Commission President, distinguished invited guests,
tu kadhaa. Hii mpaka tusalimie. Mpeleke mkono.
We are here to give thanks to God and celebrate all the women here for being true agents of change and transformation in your communities. I'm truly honored and excited to be part of this Thanksgiving service, celebrating Joyo's remarkable journey since it was established 10 years ago by the patron and founder, Mama Rachel Ruto. Yours was a visionary and passionate commitment to see a society where every woman would be inspired to achieve her full potential. Every year I have come to celebrate with you. I'm humbled by the experiences, the commitment, the determination I see from women, mothers, wives, sisters, whose lives have changed through this innovative empowerment program. Today, we celebrate the growth of this program through the expansion of over 200,000 members participating in more than 6,500 table banking groups, revolving over 3.5 billion Kenya shillings in our economy. I applaud Joyo for the hope and inspiration, the motivation and confidence it has given to women through its financing, capacity building, skills training, and mentorship programs. And I applaud all of you women for your strength and resolve, because you have remained focused and refused to shy away from pursuing your passion.
These women's lives have been transformed. These women did not know what it meant to go to any commercial bank. Many of them had not even known what it means to hold 1,000 Kenya shillings that belong to them. Many other times, the 1,000 shillings they held in their hands was either given to them to go buy something or to pay school fees for their children. In other words, it was not theirs. They were given by somebody else. But today, seated here, are millionaires of our Republic of Kenya. These women have been able to educate their children, even with the money they have gotten through table banking. They have had capacity building. Today, we have over 200,000 women that are doing table banking in our nation. We have over 6,500 groups that are doing table banking, and Your Excellencies, the total revolving fund today stands at 3.5 billion Kenya shillings.
I want to congratulate every joyful woman that is here. And this is why I congratulate you. I congratulate you because as I look into your faces and as I hear your laughter and hear your clapping, it makes me feel at home. You sound and look just like Nigerian women. I love the calls as well and the whistles. Why I'm congratulating you is because I know you're still going higher. Because an idea 10 years ago is what birthed thousands and thousands of women sitting together, rejoicing, happy, celebrating, accomplished, acknowledged. Now they have a voice, and it started with an idea. It started with an idea from a Kenyan woman, an idea that was birthed in Kenya, grown in Kenya, and accomplished in Kenya. I congratulate you because I know each of you has the potential to do as much and even more.